Andreas Vesalius. Aims. Who was Vesalius? Why was he important? And which of the multi-causal factors helped him to succeed? Vesalius was born in Brussels in 1514 and grew up at a time when the new ideas of the Renaissance were widely being discussed. His father was a doctor, and this is probably why he decided to study medicine. He dissected human bodies by stealing the bodies of criminals from gallows. He read a new translation of Galen's ideas. Galen's ideas were widely available because of the printing press. In 1537, Vesalius became professor of anatomy at the University of Padua in Italy. He decided that he needed a set of accurate pictures to go along with Galen's ideas. In Padua there were many skilled artists who made accurate drawings of what Vesalius saw. He got a regular supply of corpses from the city's law courts. Vesalius had great respect for Galen, but when he started to dissect, he discovered, to his horror, that Galen was sometimes wrong. With the heart, Galen said that the blood moved from one side of the heart to the other through holes in the septum. Vesalius could not see any holes as it was a thick membrane. Galen must be wrong. The jawbone. Galen said that the jaws of animals are formed of two bones. In a man, however, the lower jaw is formed of a single bone. Vesalius wrote down his ideas in a book called The Fabric of the Human Body, which was published in 1543. It used all the latest printing techniques and the reproducing of pictures. It gave a detailed description of all parts of the body based directly on what Vesalius saw with his own eyes. Vesalius's work did not mean that doctors stopped using Galen's book or believing in his theories, but it did mean that they began to question them. If Galen and the Greeks were wrong on one thing, they could be wrong on others. Vesalius was also important because he provided doctors for the first time with a clear and accurate picture of the structure of the human body. This led them to ask how the parts of the body worked together, physiology. If the blood didn't move through the heart as Galen said, how then did it move?